Where? Where's my order? Okay. Where? Take a...
Yeah,
Yeah, FedEx. Okay, let's go. See, take a look. There you go. Ito na. Yun. Oh. Yeah. Ang ganda. Oh, look at that. Oh. Look at this. What's up guys? Good afternoon everyone. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So, ngayon, na-receive ko na yung in-order ko sa JD Sports. So trinay ko lang mag-order doon. So, ngayon, dumating na ngayon. Re-reviewin natin. So, this is it guys. So, yung box niya guys is maganda siya. So, napakaganda. So, first time ko lang nag-order by online sa JD Sports. Shout out JD Sports for giving me this. So, alam nyo guys to, ang halaga nito is $240. So, nakuha ko lang siya is $115. So, nag-sale sila ngayon. So, dahil hindi siya masyadong, sabi nila, I don't know why people doesn't like this. So, but nung makita ko naman is maganda naman siya. It's very nice. So for me, I'm gonna do a review for these shoes. So as you can see guys, so they call this a Jordan 11 Retro Low IE. So this is I guess this is 2023 or I don't know. I guess so, something like that. So yeah, trinay ko, bigla sila nag-sale. So, ang original price ito is $240. Then, nag-sale na sila ngayon. Yung sa ibang, kasi, sa ibang stores, sa Chomps, sa Foot Locker, this will be $180. So, ito, nakuha ko lang ng $115. So, you guys, napaka-lucky ko. Sobrang lucky ko. Nakakuha ko ng cheaper this shoes. So, we'll see, guys. So, as you can see the logo right here. The size is 10.5. Maybe, well, there is a date. So, tingnan natin guys. So, napakaganda sa box pa lang. Height, napakaganda na. Tingnan guys yung pagkakagawa. Nung una, di ko siya mabuksan. So, ngayon, tatry natin buksan. Pagganto pala yan guys. Ganto pala yan. Yun. Dito pala binubuksan. Yun. Yan siya guys. So, yung plastic niya, yan. Ang ganda nung box na ginawa nila. So, black yung plastic niya dito. So, as you can see guys. So, hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng ganito. First time kong sumubok bumili ng ganitong sapatos. So, but marami ng design, style, or different types of these shoes, different color. So, yung mga nauna talaga magaganda. Sobrang ganda. So, ito, sa akin naman, okay naman siya. Maganda naman siya. So, let's check it out, guys. Tingnan natin, guys. Boom. Yun. There you go. As you can see, guys, right? Napaka ano niya, sobrang kakaiba. So, yung yung dating ginawang ganito is leather, iba-ibang materials yung ginawa dito sa sapatos na ito. Itong Jordan Low, yung bagong labas na to is hindi siya leather dito, para siyang canvas. And then nakita niyo to, guys, to yan dyan, ang net na natagusan siya, papasok yung hangin dyan. So, ibang style. Then, I guess this one, ano siya, is kind of leather, but shiny leather. So, yun yung kakaiba niya. Pero yung mga dating, Jordan 11 is, pure leather talaga dito. Ibang materials yung ginawa. So, dito, iba naman. So, ang, nagandahan naman ako. Ang napansin ko lang dito, guys, is, yung stitches niya dito. So, nakikita niyo yung stitches niya dito. Like, right there. May mga lagpas-lagpas siya dito. I don't know ano nangyari dito yung stitches niya dito. Yun lang yung bad comment ko dito sa sapatos ito. But, sa outsole niya, napakaganda. Same thing ng Jordan 11 kung isang Gratitude. So, and then, carbon fiber too. Same thing too. Ng Jordan 11 Gratitude. And it looks the same. So, yung mga outsole niya, so pareho lang, gaganda. So, this is a legit shoes. Well, ano pa ba? So, yun lang. Ibang klase lang, hindi siya nag-added ng leather dito kasi yung mga ibang lumabas na ganito, yung mga nauna is leather. So, meron ditong gray. Yun yung kasabay niya, gray nito. So, this is two type of color of shoes of this Jordan 11 low. Jordan 11 low, magkaiba siya. So, yung mga dating is leather dito sa ganito. Pero yung iba, hindi. Different type ng materials they use for this. So, to create satisfy the customer, right? So, for me, this is good, but a lot of people doesn't like this. I don't know, this kind of new design of this shoes. So for me, it's not too bad. I give this for probably 10. I give this 10, or probably 9. I give this 9 because of the stitches right here. So that's too bad. Like, it wasn't really perfect. I don't know why people nakita ko kasi yung nito, review nito sa JD Sports. So, yung mga nag-order nito is nagalit sila kasi yung stitches daw dito sa back parang natanggal or something na I don't know, sobra. So, yun lang yung issue nila dito. Yeah, they are right. So, napansin ko din. So, dito lang sa the back. Yeah, yung ito lang sa guys. So, yung dito sa square dito, yan guys, yung stitches niya parang napunit or something. I don't know what happened. So, yan lang, kita ba? You guys can see. Yeah, I see that, right? So, yun lang yung bad comments regarding these shoes. But all in all, it's really good shoes too. So, sukatin natin, tingnan natin kung maganda ang performance to, guys. nasubukan na natin. Sinubukan ko na. Sinuot ko na yung shoes. So, all in all guys is for me, it's a good shoes. Sige guys. Yes, so na-review na natin yung ating bagong sapatos na dumating. And napakaganda. And I'm very satisfied to JD Sports. Thank you very much. Shout out to you guys or na-deliver nyo na maayos yung aking order sa inyo. So, hanggang dito na lang. Peace out. Bye.